She heard it late at night, a high-pitched squeal every time she slowed down. She thought, maybe it was nothing. Maybe it would go away. What she didn't know is that her brake pads worn down to nothing. That little squeal was the wear indicator. Ignoring it turned into warped rotors and a brake job 3 times more expensive.
And the worst part, she had time to stop. That sound was her one and only warning before things got...
What are you guys doing in here?
We're telling brake horror stories.
All right, enough scary stories. Let's talk about something that actually turns them into real-life horror stories. Your ABS system. ABS stands for anti-lock braking systems, and it's one of the most important safety features in your car. When you hit your brakes hard, especially on slippery roads, ABS keeps your wheels from locking up so you can maintain steering control. If you've ever felt your brake pedal pulsating or vibrating during a heavy stop, that means your ABS system is kicking in. That pulse is not something to be scared of. It's your car responding exactly how it's supposed to be. All right, here's how it works. Each wheel has a sensor that monitors that wheel's speed. If the system senses a wheel starting to lock up, it rapidly pumps the brakes on that individual wheel. It stops the skid, provides better traction, and allows you to keep control of your steering. One of the most common questions that we get is, if my ABS light comes on, can I still drive my car? The short answer is yes, but your car will not be able to utilize your ABS system that gives you the extra braking support in emergency stops. Your regular brakes will work, but you will lose the anti-skid protection. It's best to get it checked as soon as possible to maintain brake safety while driving your vehicle. If your ABS light is illuminated on your dashboard, it can be many different things, such as a wheel speed sensor, potentially just low on brake fluid, or your ABS control module is internally faulted. Sometimes it can be things that are simple, but it's best to catch these things early to prevent you from skidding through an intersection on a rainy night. So yes, those squeals and groans are spooky, but your ABS system, that's the hero in the scary movie. It keeps you from becoming part of the story. If that ABS light has been haunting your dashboard, don't ignore it, but bring your car into Myles at any of our locations in Redding, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, or Wyomissing, and we'll keep your brakes and your story drama-free.
Boo!